What's up, guys? So today we're going to be reviewing World's Smallest Toolkit. So here's this, and we got this at Dave & Buster's. Hi, Coco. We didn't get Coco at Dave & Buster's. Can't win puppies at Dave & Buster's. Yes, Coco. I know, it's a piece of plastic. You love pieces of plastic, I know. Coco! Let's open this thing up. You get a shot of Coco? There you go. Good dog. Okay. There we go. And that was packed as like it's Fort Knox. I don't know why they have to do that. So you have a 1 meter or 3 feet tape measure. That's a meter right there. I think that was a meter. Oh, so a Minecraft box about that big. Like, there we go. Got that. And we have 2 screwdrivers with bottle openers. Oh, that's cool. We have a Phillips and we have a flathead. And we have, this was like surprisingly cheap. This wasn't that expensive at Dave & Buster's, but I assume it's probably like $5 at Walmart or wherever you can find it. It's not too expensive. And then here you go, here's your little thing that goes in there. Now let's put these in here, and you just fit that in there. And it opens fairly easily, so I wouldn't want to put this on like a backpack or something, but you can. Or you could, it'd be a little bit of a big keychain, but it'd be kind of cool. Would you recommend this, Mom? Would you?
Yep.
Yep. And again, so we got like this. This is actually pretty big. It looks like a normal. These are actually really cool. I just want the world's smallest stuff to unbox, so maybe tomorrow. So yeah, I totally recommend it. And also, look at that. That's adorable. And you know, you could probably easily take this off if you don't want it on here. You probably just need some pliers and needle nose pliers, and you'll probably get it off. If you do jewelry, you can easily get it off. So I would recommend it. You can probably get it for some places it might be $10, $5, but yeah. So I totally recommend it. Well, I've been Black Badge MC, and I'm out.